Hi everybody, I wanted to go ahead and create a video to show you how to use the digital paper. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, Merge. You're going to select a digital paper. You want to resize it, make sure that it's locked. Center it so it's easier to find. And you're going to place it over your font. You want to make sure that you select both images, the digital paper and the font. And you're just going to click, you're going to go to the Modify panel and you're going to click Crop. Now, to get a design onto your picture, your actual design, you're going to go back to File, Merge. And for this, we'll just use a different one. We want to click on it, make sure it's locked, change the sizing, center it. Now, the easiest way I found for my design, because I did do it in different layers, it looks a little more complicated. I send it to the back, and then I select the area that I want to change. And instead of selecting crop, I'm going to select intersect. And there you go. Now you have a small design within your design, and you can use this for print and cut. I hope this video helps you out. I hope you can somehow use digital papers in your designs and reinvent something. And I hope you have a wonderful day.